Hey guys, I hope you're all feeling amazing. I am doing pretty well myself. So the other day was Black Friday and I just thought I should really spoil myself. I deserve it, you know. I'm just an amazing person. I deserve to get some amazing clothes. So I did a little bit of Zara shopping, but only a little bit. Only a smidgen. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first thing that I got from Zara is probably one of the best items that I've ever got from Zara so far. It is this faux fur leopard print jacket. It's a super long jacket and it was £100, which I know you're already thinking, oh my god, £100 on a jacket. But you know what? It's beautiful and it's got that madam look about it. It's just sophisticated. It's soft. It was worth it. It truly was. I really love it. I can't believe how soft it is. I know it's faux fur and usually faux fur can be quite rough, but this one is really nice and soft. It is a super long coat, as I said. It can literally be worn with anything just to make a basic jean and top combo just stand out a bit more. I'm so excited about this jacket. I cannot wait to wear this and rock it. So in the front it's just got 1, 2, 3 or 6 leather style buttons. It's quite a basic jacket, nothing too extra about it. The sleeves look about normal size, not too long, not too short. And I got this in a size small. I was umming and ahhing about an extra small or small because Zara sizing is a bit off, but I thought even if it has a bit more of a oversized look, it would still look really nice. So I decided to go on with the small. But I'm super excited about this jacket and I am so excited just to try it on. Yes, I think this jacket just speaks for itself. This is just flawless. It's just absolutely amazing. It is glamorous. It's just madam. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. It's just definitely over the top, just like my personality, very dramatic. But yeah, I just love it so much. I can't wait to start rocking this out. And it's so soft as well. So next up from Zara is another item that I was super excited about getting. On the website it looks so stunning, so gorgeous. But having a look at it now in person, I'm so upset because they look too long for me. I'm 5'3" and these just go on forever and ever and ever. Oh my god. But the material is so nice. It is so thick. You can just feel the quality on this. You really can. I got this in a size extra small, which I was a little bit worried about because I'm not really an extra small. I'm an 8'10". I do struggle with my thighs and my hips, but I have a small waist. But last time I got Zara trousers and I got them in a small, they were really baggy. So I just thought, let me try with an extra small. But oh, I'm just so upset because they're just so long. I am going to try wear them with some high heels. Maybe they may be rescued, but I'm not 100% sure. So in the front you've just got these hooks, and then a nice long zipper, which is quite nice. As I said, the material is just absolutely amazing, really high quality material. And the item price was $39.99. I am so disappointed about these trousers. I love them so much. They fitted so well, so snug, and I wanted them so bad. But even though I'm wearing high heels, they are just way too long for me. They would literally just be dragging across the floor and I'd just be walking like an absolute fool. But I just love them so much. I may potentially just go to the dry cleaner and ask them to be lifted up a little higher for me so that I can wear them, because I'm just so in love with these. They just, look at the way they fit on my body. They're amazing. They're absolutely amazing. I may just, you know, head down and just get them fixed. Just get them fixed to fit right. Next up from Zara is a little bit of tweed. Something very different. It's this black and white kind of Iggy vibe, kind of 1960s kind of vibe. I really like it. Got it in an extra small. It was £70, so it is on the pricey side, but I think it's really nice. I think it's just super different. I don't really know what to say about it. It's just a really nice tweed. It's a nice pattern. I like the color combination, the black and white. Such a classic color. And I think I'll probably wear this with my turtleneck black top and then some black boots as well. But yeah, I think it'll just be something really fun. Maybe a hat as well. I love hats, like a black hat. Just make it magical. So it is sleeveless and the material feels good as well. It's not a heavy material. It does feel like medium, I would say. I don't think you're going to get overheated in this, but I don't think it's something that you'll be wanting to wear in the summertime either. And I got this in a size extra small because I wanted it to be really figure hugging and really cute. I am seriously in love with this. It is so cute. It's just so amazing and it feels really nice and really fits well on me. I was a little worried about extra small being a bit too small, but it's actually perfect. So I matched it with my black turtleneck that I will put a link in the description bar as well for. But yeah, I really like it. It's really cute. It does have a few loose threads, but it's not a major issue. I'll show you the back as well. But I'm so in love with this. I don't know where I would wear it though. I really don't know. I feel like if I wore tights I'd get away with it at work, but I just feel like it's an outfit that needs to be worn like outside in the real world to be really, you know, maybe someone might see it, that special person. So since it is now autumn/winter time, I've been trying to match my colours with the leaves. So the green, the browns and the oranges. So I got this beautiful green shirt dress. Absolutely love it. I love the little pocket. I love pockets. The material, I'm not 100% sure on the name, but it is really nice. It's quite a thick material, so you can get away with wearing this by itself with some nice thigh-high boots, of course. I got this in an extra small. Again, I wanted a really nice tight fit and it was $29.99. It's quite simple and basic, but I think you could do a lot with this outfit. It'd probably be like a daytime outfit for me personally. Maybe to wear to work, possibly just to wear to go and have a coffee or something. Why is this so oversized? Like, I love the material and baby, the color is everything. But this is just huge for an extra small. It's absolutely massive. I feel like a 5-year-old wearing like my uniform. You know how your mom gets you like a size up or two and it's like, you're gonna grow into it. Like, I feel like I'm supposed to grow into this and it's just a no. I'll show you the back though. Maybe if I put a belt on it, it'll look a little better. Okay, there is no belt for me to steal. I used to own a black belt, but I kind of lost it. So yeah, I think this is gonna be a return. I can't deal with it at all. So I thought I would get something a bit more fun. I am also going on holiday really soon. I'm going to South Africa and Zimbabwe. So I thought I could get something that I could potentially get away with wearing over there as well. And since the snake print has been in this season so much, I had to get this beautiful snake print dress. It's a really cute, really girly dress, as I say, covered in the snake print, and then it has this beautiful 3-button detail in the front. I think it's cute. So I got this in a size, ooh, where's the tag gone? I got this in a size extra small and it was $29.99. It's a nice material, really nice and soft, and it does have quite a deep V neck in the front, but I think it'll be quite subtle. It's not going to be over the top. I would really style these with some white Nike Air Forces, but I'm thinking that's going to be a little bit too much when I go to South Africa, since the weather is going to probably be like 38 degrees and I'm probably just going to be sweating too much to be wearing sneakers. So I'm probably better off getting some sandals which It's gonna kill me, but I'll just have to do it. I actually don't like this dress. I don't like the excess material in the front. I'm not really feeling the shoulders either. And I'm really disappointed because I thought it's going to be a perfect little dress for South Africa. But yeah, I really don't like it. I love the skirt. The bottom part is nice, but the top part I really don't like. So I am really super upset about it. But I'll show you the back. I do think it is still a really cute dress, but it's just too much excess going on, so it has to be a no. So keeping up with that snake print, I had to get this beautiful jumpsuit, which has a very big hole in the front and in the back. Interesting. It's got a nice belt on it, and it has pockets, which I absolutely love. Ooh, I'm a bit umi-ari about the material. It does feel breathable. I'm not sure if it's going to be light enough for me in South Africa because I don't want to be sweating, and I think it might be a little bit too much for me. But it is really nice. The sleeves are like 3/4. I got this in a size extra small and it is $49.99. But yeah, I'm excited for this. It doesn't look very nice because I'm just holding it up and just making a mess. But I think once it's on me, it's going to look absolutely fabulous. So the snake print jumpsuit is an absolute yes. It is really great sizing. It fits like a glove. I thought the holes were going to be a bit too much, but they're actually okay. And the belt is really cute. And let me do a little bow at the back. So yeah, I'm really feeling this jumpsuit. It's casual, it's loose, but it still looks super amazing. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I did make 2 parts of this video because I lied, and when I said I only got a few items, I got several items from Zara. So do make sure to watch the second part of this video where I show you the rest of the things that I got. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and have a really nice day as well. Bye!